Today topic is the immune response. This topic is useful for the degree final year students, also other students. Now, what is mean by immune response? Generally, our immunity system is respond to the antigens and infected cells. Generally, our immunity system is respond to the antigens and infected cells. Antigens are already that is bacteria, virus and harmful materials. Infected cells in our body, normal cells infected by the bacteria and virus, that is called infected cells, that is called immune response. Mainly immune response is two types: humoral immunity or humoral immune response. Second one is cell mediated immunity or cell mediated immune response. This mainly two types of immune response. First one, today we discuss about the humoral immunity. Humoral means body fluids. Humoral means body fluids. This response, this immunity is generated by the interaction between the B cells and free antigens. Generally, humoral immunity is generated by the interaction between the B cells and free antigens. That is the humoral immunity or immune response. In this process, B cells are release the antibodies. In this process, B cells are release the antibodies into the body fluid. What is the concept? Humoral immunity is generated by the interaction between the B cells and free antigens. In this process, B cells are release the antibodies into the body fluids. That is the concept. This antibodies is fight against the antigens which they are present in the body fluids. That is the concept. That is the idea of humoral immunity. See, humoral immunity definition is it is generated due to the interaction of B cells with free antigens. It is generated due to the interaction of B cells with free antigens. That is the humoral immunity. Antibodies are released into the body fluids. Mainly body fluids are two types: plasma and lymph. Plasma and lymph. In this process, in this humoral immunity, B cell activation is very, very important. In this process, B cell activation is a very, very important process. But for B cell activation, we need TH cells. For B cell activation, we need TH cells. TH means helper T cells. That means B cells are activated by the TH cells. That is the main concept in this humoral immunity. Now, observe the diagrams. Two types of cells: B cell, this is a TH cell. This is a B cell and this is the TH cell. Just observe the diagram. On the surface of the B cell, antibodies are present. Other side, MSC class 2 proteins are present, and also present interleukin receptors also present. What is present on the surface of the B cell? Antibodies are present. Other side, MSC class 2 proteins are present, and also interleukin receptors also present on the surface of the B cell. Next one, TH cell. On the surface of the T cell receptors are present. What is present? T cell receptors are present on the surface of the TH cell and also present CD4 molecules. Already you know CD means cluster of differentiation. These are also present on the surface of the TH cell. These are diagrams of two cells, B cell and TH cell. Now concept is the first one. Antigens are binding with antibody. In this process, antigens are binding with specific antibody on the surface of the B cell. In this process, antigen is binding with antibody, specific antibody. Select the specific antibody binding with antibody and surface of the B cell. In this process, B cell take the antigen inside. B cell is take the antigen inside and divide into the fragments. What is happen? B cell is take the antigen inside and divide into the fragments. Fragment means small pieces of the antigens. Next one, B cell is display the antigen fragments. B cell is display the antigen fragments on the MSC2 class 2 proteins. B cell is display the antigen fragments on the MSC2 proteins. In this process, TCR, T cell receptor, recognize the antigen fragments on the surface of the MSC class 2 proteins. What is happen? TCR means T cell receptors recognize the antigen fragments and binding with MSC class 2 proteins. TCR recognize the antigen fragments and binding with MSC class 2 proteins to form TCR MSC2 complex. Means TCR binding with MSC class 2 proteins because of the antigen fragments is present on the surface of the MSC class 2 proteins, and also CD4 molecules helpful in the binding much more stronger. CD4 molecules helpful in the binding much more stronger once bonding with occurs between the TCR and MSC class 2 proteins. Once binding with occurs between the TCR and MSC class 2 proteins, TH cell is release the interleukins. What is happen? Once binding is occurs between the TCR and MSC class 2 proteins, TH cell is release the interleukins. Interleukins are different types, 4, 5, 6. These are interleukins. These interleukins are binding with surface on the, these are present on the surface of the B cell. Interleukins binding with interleukin receptors. Interleukins are binding with interleukin receptors, that is binding surface of the B cell. Next one, the signals is coming into the B cell. The signals is coming into the B cell. Then after the B cell is divided or differentiation into two kind of cells, plasma cells and memory cells. What is happen? Interleukins are binding with interleukin receptors. The signals is coming into the B cell. Then after the B cell is differentiation into the two kind of cells, plasma cells and memory cells. Plasma cells are release the antibodies. The antibodies release into the body fluids. The antibodies are released into the body fluids, and memory cells is helpful in the remember the antigens. Memory cells are useful in the remember the antibodies. Memory cells are remember the antigens, but second time same antigen enter in our body. That time memory cells also divided into the plasma cells and memory cells. This is happen whenever second time same antigen enter in our body. That time memory cells are released, divided into the plasma cells and memory cells. That is the concept of the memory cells. That is, remember the antigens. In this process, plasma cells are release the antibodies into the body fluids. The antibodies are fight with antigens in the body fluids. That is the main concept, main idea of humoral immunity.